here on Bryan's 64 Buick Electra. We're going to go ahead and change out the four-jet here. We're going to do another Edelbrock like we did over here on the 61. Just for drivability, reliability, ease of maintenance. It's what he prefers, so it's, you know. Alright, everything is off of our four-jet. Bam! Next step, start setting everything up for the Edelbrock. Alright, we got everything kind of figured out here. So we're going to go ahead and give us a little bit of a first start. All our vacuum stuff is hooked up. The vacuum fitting from the factory carb actually fit in the back. So it was perfect. And then I just routed our vacuum modulator for the trans up here to the front center. And our distributor went right where it's basically was prior. So everything is as so all I did was crank it, try to prime it, and it actually lit off completely on its own. Happy camper right out of the box, boys and girls. That's pretty normal with an Edelbrock though. It usually works right out of the box. So I'm gonna let her get up to temperature. Do a little adjusting. I do still have to hook up our switch. Little cruising 64 Buick. Oh, she's noticeably got more oomph. Oh, baby. Happy camper. This thing drives great now. It drove decent with the four-jet, but oh man, is it way better now.